Eat smarter. Move better. Live longer. Welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to be starting this journey with you. If you're looking for tips, tricks, and inspiration for healthy eating, regular physical activity, and overall wellness, then you've come to the right place. Here, we believe that achieving a healthy lifestyle is about finding balance and making sustainable choices. This green smoothie and fruit bowl are a perfect example of the kind of simple and delicious meals you can make at home to fuel your body. Not only are they packed with nutrients, but they're also easy to make and can be customized to your liking. One of the things you'll find on this channel is that we'll be sharing a lot of meal ideas and recipes that are easy to make, tasty, and good for you. But we're not just about healthy eating. We're also about regular physical activity and overall wellness. Whether it's a full-body workout, yoga flow, or a simple walk in nature, getting moving is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. It helps us stay energized, maintain a healthy weight, and improve our overall mood. So, join us on this channel as we eat, move, and live our way to better health and happiness. We'll be sharing all sorts of tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you feel your best and live your best life. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Cheers to better health and happiness.